Пару лямов money on my neck, gold money.
Is my name, это мой money rain. No pain, no gain, иди нахуй Monday. No raise my name.
Welcome to SystemVerilog Studio, and our today's topic is what is randomization in SystemVerilog. So as you can see, randomization is a key feature in SystemVerilog which we have added from Verilog to SystemVerilog. It is a randomization feature that lets you automatically generate different values for variables, usually class properties. Now here understand the statement. In Verilog we have urandom, but it is the method. You can use it but cannot control that randomization. But in SystemVerilog you can control that randomization, and that is answered in next line. Either fully random or constraint random, means you can fully randomize your variable, or you can have a constraint random in that to help create diverse test scenarios in verification. For example, if you want a prime number to print randomly but you have to print the prime number only, then you can control it with the randomization in SystemVerilog. We use two keywords for that. It is a rand and randc. In your test bench, when you create transaction class or any packet class, which is an object class in UVM and SystemVerilog, it is dynamic in nature, means that it will create at runtime and destroy at runtime. Okay, so when there is some signals which you want to generate, which is input signals, which you will send these packets towards your DUT, that signals you have to put it rand or randc. So what is different between the two? So random will just randomly generate it, means 3 can come many times, 1 can come many times if you are printing 1 to 10. But in randc, up till the whole 10 numbers is not printed, it will not repeat. So that's the only difference, and you can cover more coverage in randc if you use it. So as you can see, this is transaction class which I extend from UVM sequence item, and in your SV it can be transaction class, simple transaction class. So here we have used rand keyword here, right? And this rand keyword is having the constraint, like for example PW data should be from 0 to 30 only, and 0 to 30. Okay, and rest of the signals like output signals, PR data and PC data is not randomized, because output we will check it, we cannot generate output. And now where, for example, we have written some tests, and we will see like alternate scenario is test number 3. We will generate 3, test number 3. Now here see, we have generated our data 9, 22. It is not exceeding the value of 30. See, anywhere, and we have controlled that it will be from 1 to 30. So is it enough to write rand keyword and just generate it? No. See, from transaction, the transaction packet here comes to our sequence, and sequence we will randomize here. See, start item request, the request will come and we will randomize this request. And what is request? It is that our transaction class. See, request is our transaction class handle, and this handle we will randomize. So here randomization will work. Now what we have used, we have just make our inputs in transaction as a rand or randc, and then we can use this randomize method inside our sequence, and we will just randomize it and your whole thing will be done. So it's simple to randomize thing, and hope you will randomize it properly. If you have doubt, you can just comment it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.